Check it out, guys. Setting up some a flatbread right here. You see it? So flatbread, it should still be a little soft. So, well, actually, yep, still soft. See, inside is still soft. So I'm gonna put it back in. This is a ginger flatbread. So I use spelt flour and garbanzo bean flour and some ginger and blend it up with water, and then I strain the ginger off, the ginger and water first, and then after that so the ginger and water alone to blend first, and then after that just so strain the water off after you blend the ginger. Strain that ginger water. Just use a strainer and strain it into a bowl, and then that's gonna just rinse the blender out any residue of ginger, and then just pour that ginger water back in the blender, and then put your flour in there. I put 1/3 cup. So let's see. Yeah, I think so. Let's see. So this cup here is a 1/4 cup. It says a quarter. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's a 1/4 cup, right? So that's 60 milliliters. So I put 3 of these in there. So 2 garbanzo bean flour. That's the chickpeas flour. I put 2 of these, the chickpeas flour, and then spelt flour. 1 of these spelt flour. So 3 in all in that in the ginger water, and yeah, just blend that up, get it all the way blended, and then pour it into a bowl, or just pour it straight into the pan like I have here. I poured it into a bowl first, and then I poured it into the bowl that you see in here in the pan. So that you see, what you're seeing on there is a sheet. So you see hit this here. So this is just what is that? The parchment paper. That's parchment baking. That parchment baking paper. That's what that is. That's sticking to it. But it'll when it's done, it's easy to peel off of it. So yeah, stay tuned for this one. I'll let you guys see when it's done, what it's looking like, and stay tuned. So this is it, guys. It's done. Gingerbread. See, I got the knife right here, so just gonna, cut it up, and yeah, so this is what it's looking like.
A bowl of bread in my belly.
Oh, this
A bowl of bread in my tummy.
Amazing.
A bowl of bread in my belly. And me alone and yam my bola. Me alone and yam my bola. Walking in my kitchen and smell something.
See that?
I want that looks so.
So yeah, gingerbread. There it is. let that oil heat up. And this is what we're cooking right here. The don't like KFC chicken. This is mushrooms in flour, garbanzo bean flour. So here we go. Oil is hot, so let's put them in there. Go ahead and situate them. So see, they're almost ready to be turned. Make your space and add it in. So see, those are looking nice. Just a little bit more to go. So there it is, some of them done. The rest right there, the stove is off, so take those out, pour the oil off, and then wash that pot. And here's the residue. What I do with this is show you right now. What I do with that is put it in this and store it for next time, right? So for tomorrow or any other time, I'll have some flour already ready, seasoned up, and then just add a little more and make another batch. Just like that. So let's take these out of here. There it is.
The tide was moving closer on the dance floor, baby. I got you stepping to it slow. Everybody's making moves like whoa. But we got the whole place jumping now. Shake when the tide it hits you. Shake on the dance floor, baby. Shake, the groove won't mislead you. Shake, shake when I'm making you mine. Shake, yeah. Shake, everybody's moving. Shake. The groove was moving over on your soul, baby. I got you dancing to it low. Everybody's making moves like whoa. We got the whole place jumping now. Shake when the tide it hits you. Shake on the dance floor. Shake, the groove won't mislead you. shake, and I'm making you.
We can put in the definition.
Moonlight's home and high.
Spell your thing to spell on another time. He will come up. Me go put in thinking to see if nothing come up. Yeah, that's it. Thinking to yeah. Comfortable. Yeah man, try that, it might come up man. Yeah, in Jamaica, it also come here. People, yeah, and you alone me hear other people say it. And then they tell me say, yeah, like orange, like yeah. Yep. Okay. That is why to expel mucus from your body, so that's why that is what to do. But being really cool, just expel the mucus. Blue vermin, telling about it, and you say more about it. So I say you have a book of herbs, and it's sure to expel mucus from your body, and that's one of the main plants that can do it. And I say, yeah man, remember say HIV used to cure HIV back in the 70s or 80s. So I didn't know it from them time there, yeah, so yeah man. Blue vervain. Some people call it vervine, but same thing. Yeah man, cause you know already said some plants is acidic and some electric, so that's all. So cut about then that electric, so if you have anything electric are gonna make you expel the mucus. Yeah, that one them are gonna make your body keep the mucus in it. Then mucus producing instead of mucus secreted. Some put it in and some take out it. Okay. You know you want to look there. Yeah, you know what I mean. Kaya deal with it, yeah man too. Got the gold mine. When I know them time there, yeah, I realize. Yep. Hey. Whoa. Is that not true? Yeah. Is that not true? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, put you in an artificial, in an illusionary world. Yeah. Yep. Where's that at? And peace na day, now that you have peace, you get the freedom. But then I think out it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because two they're not strong enough. But if them are doing concrete now, you see me I say, it would be cheaper because it's strong enough already by itself. So that's why. Exactly, that's why. Right. You know, go already. Business gotta keep, coming in. So that's why. But I say it's nothing personal, just business. Yeah, that's the concept of people that might not be nothing personal, just business. Of course. Yeah. Concrete nya dulu. Yeah. Make a thick wall. Yeah. Yeah man, put 2 row. Yeah. Make a thick wall there. Yep. But when I business with that, I just yeah man, me think about that already. Me think more than that too. Me do it and think more than that. Like more cause me think about if I set up with security gonna be my biggest thing, so me dey think about it that long time and so maybe I'll 5, 6 cause I want it to be tick like, you know. Yeah. I want it to be tick. So me think out there sitting there man. I saw them build 4 and then sitting there. Not you go about a rocking down like a wood, you have to go remodel it, you have to do none of that with concrete. Good to go. Yeah. Why am I gonna do it and then have to remodel? Why am I not just do it go the first time and done? Foolishness that man. Yeah man, me think out there sitting there for a long time. Cause some of that me build up me sitting in my head long time man. Long time. Years. Oh, me want to set up, you know? Yeah. Yeah man. I'll underground me I go build, you know? Like them kind of sitting there. Yeah. Come like so me have one house, one lot, but me have the whole underground mostly. From me know if you dig up here and make collapse. That'll go underground. from land, same way but underground. 100 foot down also, way down so. Yeah, I'm kinda sitting there. Yes, yeah man, yeah man. So there they are. Roast breadfruit ready. Got the mushrooms right there. Mushrooms ready. So that's what we got. That's what we eating. So see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. If you guys tried this out, comment below, let me know how it came out for you guys. See y'all in the next one. Unconditional love and peace.
Made it, oh made it, made it.